In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write an email with HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tap HubSpot's built-in AI to draft clear, polished copyright inside your email editor. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account using your secure login. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover there to expand the navigation and locate the marketing section. From that menu, choose Email. This brings you to your list of emails. Find the email you want to work on. When you hover over it, an Edit option appears. Click that. You'll land in the email editor. Now, choose the specific part of your email you want help with, like the hero text, a body paragraph, or a headline. Click directly on that section to select it. At the top of the editor, look for the star icon or the Create with AI option. That's HubSpot's AI writing assistant. Click it to open the AI panel. You'll see choices like paragraph or heading. Pick paragraph if you need body copy, or heading if you're crafting a subject-style headline or a section title. On the right side panel, tell the AI exactly what you need. The clearer your request, the better the result. For example, you might type, write a friendly 2 to 3 sentence introduction for a promotional email to existing customers, highlighting a limited time discount and inviting them to learn more. You can mention tone, audience, length, and the main point you want to convey. If the first draft isn't quite right, adjust your prompt with a bit more detail and try again. When the AI generates copy you like, click Copy. Then move back into your email's content area and paste it where you need it. Give it a quick polish to match your brand voice, replace any placeholders, and confirm details like dates or offer terms are accurate. Small tweaks go a long way toward making AI-generated text feel authentically yours. Repeat this same process for other parts of your email to refine the full message. Use heading for clear, benefit-focused titles and paragraph for concise, action-driven body copy. Keep everything consistent in tone, and make sure your call to action is unmistakable. Finally, read the entire email from top to bottom to ensure it flows naturally and speaks directly to your audience. That's it. You've used HubSpot's AI to speed up writing while keeping control over quality and clarity.